being...
I am seriously laughing at you right now.
Abha Singh, go on. An FIR against Deepika Padukone for laughing.
The show is
Gaurav, they are laughing.
The show is upon.
They are laughing. Yes. They are laughing because it is part of the script. It is a part of the script that you are called cheap, obscene words, words which we cannot speak on the channel. You are laughing because you are paid for it. It is a gross violation of the law. Change the law.
Are you saying Deepika Padukone and Alia Bhatt were paid to laugh?
Please go ask the parliament to change the law.
Chief was said about Deepika.
No, they are
Please
part
tell
of
me
the
what cheap
script
line was said. And secondly, if it's a crime to laugh, then I think half this country will be in jail. I mean, which of us have not shared double meaning jokes?
Yeah,
but Ashok Pandit, there is merit in what Supan says.
Why was
That be the case? Why just an FIR against 14 people?
Why was the wrong
country
script
which is so insensitive that it's a crime to be a homosexual? We are now making it a crime to laugh.
There is something called 34. Common intention.
Why
What
did you-
part of the
why
conspiracy?
did you-
This
what
was not a
conspiracy?
pandemic.
We are all talking together, ladies and gentlemen. That will not
And
help.
what? Why
That
not?
will
What?
not
You
help.
are
You saw
using
the video.
vulgarity.
What happened
You
to
are
you?
treating
Submit the
women
wrong
script.
worse than a
Headache after
human
that.
being. What words have you used? I as a woman cannot speak those words. Ask a mother who was sitting there with her daughter. She would have died of shame. The way you have humiliated, you are violating the soul of the women. Just for your
Respond to
commercial,
that,
just for
Supan.
some money.
That
You are
allegation,
proudly
that
saying
kind
that
of
people are
crass,
charging 4,000
crude, vulgar
rupees.
language,
For 4,000
is that
rupees, you can
acceptable?
violate the law.
Warning before
Please
the video
change the
began.
law.
Your choice to click or not click. When you see
Just
a
for
pillar that
4,000
says
rupees.
4,400 watts,
Just
do you go
because
and touch the pillar?
Just because
You
it's
don't.
happening in
You
America.
please read
you have a
the law.
license to do
Please
it.
read the law. For if you can book the Facebook
can't
girls
twist
just
the
for
law
a
to your own
light,
needs.
then 66
You
A and
can't-
67 of the
I-
IT
I-
Act. What does it read?
Ma'am,
When you know the law.
Ma'am,
I mean,
Abha
that's
Singh,
not
for a
the
moment, I want to
important
get back to
thing.
the question about booking Alia
Gaurav,
Bhatt and
Gaurav,
Deepika Padukone.
Gaurav.
Is this not for publicity? Because if you're booking Alia Bhatt and Deepika Padukone, why not book the 4,000 people who were sitting
it's
there?
not, it's
All
not.
the 4,000 who laughed and the 10 million
absolutely.
who apparently clicked on that website, Abha Singh.
absolutely. I think it's gone too much ahead. I
Gaurav, they were part of the
involving
script.
Alia
It
and
was
people
a
in the
planned
audience is
show.
wrong.
The others were named. They were supposed to laugh at those cheap jokes. They were made to be shown that women, you are a piece of dirt. And
Abha,
they
were
were
you
getting
there?
money for
Were
this.
you there
In
to
fact,
see
now
that
it
there's
is the
an upload
duty of
sign,
the
or you're
police
just
that we have
supposing?
put 14 people.
We saw the show.
We have put
We don't have to
14
be there. We
no.
saw the show.
We
saw the show.
have put the
Minty.
CD. I have transferred the transcript in the form of a complaint and
a
put it.
quick interjection by Ashok Pandit. I want to bring in Minty once again. Ashok Pandit, quick interjection.
To all of India. Who asked you to?
Gaurav,
In
who
fact,
asked
the
you to?
president of
Who asked
NSCI
you to
club,
be Moral
Gaurav,
Guardian?
this NSCI
People
club
have
was
parents
meant
for
to be
that.
for sports.
And you don't have to
In
play
fact, it is
Moral
in the
Guardian for
CRZ
that.
notification.
Okay,
NSCI
you've
was
made
for
that
sports,
point.
and
Minty
you are violating the
Tejpal,
norms.
merit
You
in
are
what
violating
Amir
the
Khan says.
Environment Protection
There is
Act.
freedom of
Section
expression
Why
and
was the
speech.
wrong script submitted to the government?
I'll ask Supan to respond
No,
to
why
that
was the
also.
wrong script
But Minty,
submitted to the
freedom of
government?
expression comes
Gaurav,
with responsibility,
Gaurav, I
and
want
this
to
was
ask Minty
was
as well.
irresponsible
Why was
in the
the wrong
manner in
script
which it has
submitted to the
offended the
government?
large number of
State and
people,
Abbas,
not just in
pre-censorship has
Mumbai,
been
but across
cancelled.
Maharashtra,
Pre-censorship has
also
been
in
cancelled
Goa
because in
and Lucknow, Minty.
1971 between Udeshi and the state, Lady Chatterley's Lover's Book was banned in India, by the way, because of certain passages of lovemaking, and there was pre-censorship. But in 1980, a law was passed to stop pre-censorship. So you can't have scripts being given prior, and a stand-up comedy is supposed to be, half of it is supposed to be improv. You can't have scripts for improv.
Okay, but is
What
it
is
meant to be
improvisation?
vulgar, cheap, crude and crass as the allegation is?
Let the
Supan?
police
roast is
investigate.
and a wrong
That is
script
why
was
the
submitted.
FIR
Has
has been
anybody
registered. Let the
So
police
why did you
investigate
say
how
has
Manan
anybody
ID
been to a
was.
Answer my
Chirkan
question,
Shairi?
Supan.
Has anybody been to a Chirkan Shairi? What will you start banning? Have you been to a Lavani in Maharashtra?
Why
Have
did
seen
you
Dada
submit
Kondi?
the wrong script?
Dada Kondi is a legend, and he was doing it in black and white era.
Mr.
Forget now.
Supran,
What all will be banned?
Okay,
Supran, why
Minty,
did you?
does
why
freedom
did
of
you
expression
submit
not
the
come with
wrong script to the
responsibility?
government?
And the
Point of view, but you
roast
cannot go and file
is
cases.
being irresponsible, as Abha Singh and the
Mr.
other petitioner
Supran,
alleges.
Mr. Supran, Mr.
Yes, Minty.
Supran, why did you submit a wrong script to the government? I want to ask you this question. Which means you have committed a crime, and it's a failure of the Maharashtra government, who under pressure is not acting on it.
Minty, respond quickly.
Why did you submit a wrong script?
Yeah,
That
may I
means
speak for a second?
you had some
Police
mistake in your
Act
mind.
There's the law even talks about
that when a
improvised
license is given,
Okay, everyone talking together will not achieve the aim. No, let's try to move forward. Let's try to move forward on this. Ashok Pandit, don't the roasters and Karan Johar have a right to express themselves? You don't like it? Don't watch it, as Suparn says. Fringe elements are trying to be super censors here.
They can do that. No, they can show their positions at home, not in public. And NSCI is a public platform. YouTube is a public platform, and they had not censored it. They had not put a lock. They had not put a lock. When they were questioned, they removed it from the YouTube. So they should have done that earlier. And why did they submit a wrong script to the government if they were so clear about it? Is it not a crime?
Suparn, you want to take that allegation that AIB submitted, willfully submitted a wrong script to the state? That is the allegation that censor board member Ashok Pandit levels against.
It's supposed to be improv. You can't have improvisation. Means you create on the spot. You have a basic guideline, and that is it. Everything else is created. And the fact is this: tomorrow you're gonna have Chirkan Shairi's ke liye scripts. You're gonna have Hasya Kavi Sammelan's ke liye scripts. You're gonna have Tepa Sammelan in Ujjain ke liye scripts where thousands and thousands of people go, which have been happening for the last thousands of years. I mean, at least what, since pre-independence we've been having the surveillance for how many decades?
No, don't give that crap to me.
What has happened because
don't give that crap to me. Don't give that crap to me.
Why not?
Don't give that crap. Don't give that crap to me.
Why not?
Mr. Supran, no, don't give that crap to me.
Why not, Ashok ji?
There are certain laws and you have to follow the laws. Just because you're a big person, you cannot get away from laws.
They did not stand on judgment station. They did not stand on judgment station. And secondly, the censors are not meant to make people understand what they think. If you're adult enough to vote, if you're adult enough to be married and pay your taxes, then the government has just created a censorship body. They can't dictate how people will live.
I also want to bring in Minty on this. Minty, the petitioner alleges that digs at Karan Johar's homosexual orientation, Ranveer's promiscuity and Arjun's professional failings were traded on the show. Not only this, cracking jokes on gays, race, rape, Ebola and making homophobic jokes is an absolute insult not only to women but all individuals. Minty Tejpal, your response to this? Minty.
What is happening? Hello?
Minty, can you hear me? Digs at Karan Johar's homosexual orientation. This is an insult.
Yeah, I couldn't get your question, but Gaurav, I just want to say this was all done out of choice by adults. It was an invited event, and these kind of things where insults are traded is a part of tradition.
So you have a license. You have a license to do anything on the stage. Just because you invited people, you have a license to do anything on the stage.
If any law was broken, they should, they should go through the legalities. But there's a larger moral question we are debating here today.
That's what they're going.
Which is we need to grow up as a country. With the internet being the way it is, all barriers are down.
I'm not here to debate the law, I'm here to debate the
With internet, all barriers gone. Abha Singh, last word to you. Since the roasters have apologized and they've pulled that video down, is that not enough to let matters rest?
Why did they
or
apologize?
Is legal action
Why did they apologize?
Because
they were bullied into it, Ashok. They were bullied into it, that's why.
Why did they apologize only to Christian community? Why did they apologize
exactly?
Only to Christian community?
How does it matter?
State of affairs.
They proved that they are
okay, very agitated here. The panelists here are very agitated. Clearly, we are not getting answers to this big debate, and perhaps it is then best left to court to decide the next course of action. But for the moment, Abha Singh, many thanks for joining me. Ashok Pandit, Suparn and Minty, many thanks for being a part of this debate.